This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joe Cousins. Lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home which features an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings and large outdoor fenced-in patio area. Split bedrooms, one of which has been converted to an office area. French doors have been added to the office/bedroom which adds ease of access from living area. Kitchen and both bathrooms have been updated. Bathroom in the main bedroom was updated including adding French doors. New air conditioner unit in August 2024. Large patio area offers space for a picnic area plus cozy clusters of tables for small get-togethers. Patio is totally fenced to provide total privacy. Sliding glass doors throughout the home open out to the patio. Community has a clubhouse that can be rented for special occasions. 2 pools, basketball, tennis and playground. Please review community rules and regulations. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Cousins at 561-354-1700.